Yes, you have read it correctly, that how can you make money from Facebook. And in this video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you steps and the ways to earn money from Facebook. So hi guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kamtechs. So if you are on this channel for the first time, so you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue to our video. So guys, you all know about Facebook, right? I think like everybody of you know about it, right? It's a big platform. And so someone asked me a question that can we earn money from Facebook? So my answer is yes, you can earn money from Facebook. So today I'm going to tell you 3 ways to earn money from Facebook, right? So actually there are long-term earnings, short-term earnings, and earn money from Facebook jobs. So I'm going to tell you in detail that what are these and how can you earn money from these strategies. Okay, so let's go to the first one. So in long-term earning, what you can do, you can create a Facebook page, a Facebook group, and choose a specific topic. Let's say the topic can be about electronics, it can be about technology, it can be about any product. And when your audience is built up, right, so after that you can market the products from various sites, that is called affiliate marketing. Let's say from Amazon, from eBay, from Lazada, from Shopee. There are many websites which offer you commission for selling their products. Or you can sell your own products, right? Or the second thing, or another thing which you can do, you can ask different companies for the sponsorship. Okay, I will run your ad on my Facebook page or on my group, and I need this money, and you can just quote them your price that you will charge them this amount. So this is it will take time. Actually this process will take time, that is why it is called a long-term earning process. So if you want more videos, or if you want more information about long-term earning on Facebook, so you can ask me in comments. So I will try to make another video with a detailed tutorial free of cost. One more thing you can do in long-term earning, let's say if you think you can build up audience very fast, so you can make a page or a group and you can sell it, right? Because there are many companies, they are looking for some pages and groups so they can market their products. So you can even sell that page, or I would say any group. Now let's come to short-term earning. So in short-term earning, you can sell some good products which has good market. It can be your own product, or you can do the affiliate marketing, let's say selling product of Amazon, eBay. And how can you do it? So actually there are 2 ways to sell the product. Number 1, you can use some groups to post, let's say the groups particularly for buy and sell, and you can post the product description, what is the product about. So in this way you can sell your product. Or another way, it is Facebook ad. You can run a Facebook ad for your product or the product which you want to sell via affiliate marketing. So for that you must have knowledge about Facebook ads. So if you want to know like how to create or how to run ads, you can ask me in comments. So I will try to make another video for Facebook ads. Now some of the people might think like we are not earning anything, and if we run Facebook ad we need to pay some amount, or we need to pay some money. Yes, you need to spend some money to run your ads. So I will give you a simple example on that. Let's say you spend $10 on your Facebook ad for a product. Let's say you are selling a smartphone, right? And you run an ad for $10, right? So on that ad, like you got the profit, let's say you got a customer and your product got sold, right? So with that ad, right, by running that ad and after getting that customer, let's say you got a profit of $50, right? You spend $10 and you have profit of $50. So in the end you have $40 profit, right? So this is how you can sell your product. You can post it in like the certain groups, or you can run Facebook ads. So this is all about short-term earning that you can do. Why we call it short-term? Because it varies from product to product, and it is not permanent or long-term, because what you are doing, you are getting the product, either it can be your own product or someone else, and you are just selling it online, right? So that is why we call it short-term earning. Now let's come to number 3. It is Facebook jobs. So on Facebook you can do full-time job, you can do part-time job, or you can do freelancing, because like most of the times many of the companies, they always look for like people who want to work on Facebook. And how it works, let me tell you in this video. So for Facebook jobs, you must have knowledge of 2 things. One is social media manager and other is Facebook ads manager. Now what are these terms? Number 1, social media manager. You can see like many of the companies, they always look for people to manage their page or manage their group, right? So if you think like you have good skills and you can manage a page or a group of a company, right? So you can do the job of social media manager. This is called a social media manager. So it means like you will be managing a page or group of company. Let's say you will post something interesting or attractive, or you will think like, let's say this post will get more reach, or this post or this this product will generate more leads. So this is how you can manage the page or a group of various companies. This is called social media manager job. And other is Facebook ads manager, right? Let's say there are many big companies, they ask some specialists to manage ads for them, right? So if you are expert or if you have good skills in it, right? If you don't have, don't worry, you can learn. There are many tutorials, or if you want me to teach, I can do many videos on it. So you can just ask me in comments and do subscribe to my channel, right? So let's come to Facebook ads. So in Facebook ads, right, so companies will ask you to run their ads. So if you have knowledge and if you are capable of it, so what you will do, you will just run the ads of company effectively. And this job you can do as a part-time, as full-time, or as a freelancing. So guys, today we learned 3 ways to earn money from Facebook: long-term earning, short-term earning, and earning money from Facebook ads. And if you want more videos like this, then please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be posting informative content on this channel, which is very beneficial for you. So stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.